Look at this big baby cat. He's eating cheese. Hello. Grabe yan. Sige, Jude. Hadi, paniguro. Ang tao ng ham.
I see also the cat.
Yeah, they're looking to us. Look at this. Nagkabuang na og sida pay usa sa akong luyo sus marasik. Ako sudat to. Maning kamo
Pwede ni siya kada kay.
Mapasok karon di ka mukaon. Dali.
Turot mo praise mo lang kita.
Don't touch, don't touch. They are dirty. Don't touch.
They don't take showers, you know.
Just call the Ming Ming. Ming Ming. Don't touch.
Mangilog man siguro ning pirot ron.
Don't touch my bag, Ming. Go and get your food. Go. Eat. Are you full? You're not hungry?
Paniguro ka ning. Sige. Kapay. Sige, Loy.
Don't touch me, Ming. Go.
Ay, nabusog na to sila.
Because the Ming
Kaya
Ming
na
said,
ni Guru
I
pagkaon.
like Mayet. That's why the Ming Ming likes touching
Jesus
me.
mo rosep ning unguan eh. Tapay gamatoy ay. Rot si Bogrot sa buka ni Murot oy. Inggoy kaloy sa nga iloy. Hadi, are you done? Come here, finish your food.
Hoy! Ayaw budhot ba?
Ming,
Panghatag food ka na
Nasaan
ano,
yung
oh.
ka? Ang puti ko paray naman ning ungo.